Hello everyone, welcome to Jewels of Thought YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the concept of carrying capacity. Carrying capacity, that means the maximum capacity to carry. We will understand better by the words of Aldo Leopold. What is he saying? That carrying capacity is a saturation point at which the number of particular species of grazing animals approached the point where grasslands could support no more individuals without a general and continuing decline in the quality of the pasture land. That means it is saying that suppose here is a grazing land, a particular species of animals are grazing here. Suppose this number is confined to 7, and these 7 animals will get sufficient amount of food and the land will be also in better condition. But if we will increase the number of individuals supposed to be 8, then the land can't sustain, can't support one animal. If we will increase the number more and more, then what will happen? This land will face continuous declining. The condition of this land will be so much bad that it will not even sustain this number of animals, that is formally supporting animals. So we can say this land has the carrying capacity of 7 number of particular species of these individuals. Hence, carrying capacity is a concept which limits the potential ability of natural resources and species to withstand the human intervention. That means the natural resources and species withstand the human intervention, but it is limited to a certain level. If we will cross that level, that is, if human intervention will cross that limit, then it will be harmful to everyone. Even the results will be highly disastrous. So, carrying capacity may be described as a test of the ability of land, water and air to keep itself usable and toxic free despite of pollution, effluent discharges and harmful developments over it. Then Earth's carrying capacity is threatened by these factors. They are monoculture, pollution, overpopulation, overgrazing, deforestation, urbanization, indiscriminate mining, etc. If we will briefly analyze the carrying capacity, it can also refer to the number of individuals who can be supported within the limits of the natural resources without degrading the social and cultural and economic environment, and also for the present and future generations. We understand this by the example of Aldo Leopold's words about carrying capacity. Next point is, for any given area, carrying capacity is not fixed, but by improved technology it can be extended to a certain level, but mostly it is changed for the force and by pressures which accompany a population increase. By technology we can increase the carrying capacity, but to a certain level, and if we will do more change, then it will be more worse, and more population increase, more pollution increase, which will ultimately lead to environment degradation. So carrying capacity shrinks. That means environment does not support even the number of individuals who could have formerly lived. Next point is the average citizen's ecological footprint is assessed by the demands of an individual endowed with average amounts of resources like land, water, food, fiber, waste assimilation, and disposal, which are forced on the environment. For instance, land requirement. Land requirement in developed countries for a citizen ranges from 10 to 12 acres, whereas in a developing country it varies, or it ranges from 1 to 3 acres. Basing on this fact, ecological footprint can be assessed. Adding the fact that if one country is doing some economic impulsions that may create or may manifest other countries' ecological destruction. So, during policy formulation, a country should consider the carrying capacity instead of land area. Hence, carrying capacity is a very important concept, should be taken into account during policy formulation.